In this video, I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush from iRobot Roomba Essential. To do this, first you'll need to flip your robot so you can see the bottom, and then there's the main rotating brush. To remove it, you will need to press on those two buttons at the same time. Or not even at the same time, you can just press it one by one. After that, our main brush is free to release. And now to insert it back, you will need to align the square to the bottom and the line to the top, like this. Make sure it rotates, and then pick the hatch and close it. You will also hear the click, and we just replaced our brush. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.